Buck, how are things looking back there?
Yeah, they're doing alright.
They're doing all right? Can you call the captain to the bridge for us, please? Now, sooner than later?
Whatever. Come on, Captain, hurry up. The commander needs to see you.
Oh, Captain Vlog! Captain Vlog! Oh! Oh, those goddamn space station burritos!
Why did you have so many burritos, Captain?
God damn it! Right now I need you to divert power from the engine's weapon system so I can get the auxiliary power back online.
Yes, Captain. Auxiliary power back online.
What the hell's going on, Captain?
Ah! Power's blown. Must have been that shit I took!
What the damn?
Alright, stabilizers are online. Life support's coming online. Looks like we have this thing steady for now.
Backup power supply unit on. Battery life 2 hours.
Well, you heard the lady. We're gonna have to get that power supply quick if we're gonna get out of here. So, Commander, Storage Bay 3 might have an alternate power supply we can use. Buck, how's it looking back there?
Doesn't look too good from here.
You fucking useless Buck.
Whoa. Ew, gross.
Stop! What have you done to my precious star? Have you harmed her in any way, shape, or form?
No, Captain. No, I haven't.
Well, then what are you doing here?
I'm looking for a battery pack like you ordered me to.
Well, you won't find one here. Star is not a battery. She is a beautiful life form.
Captain, you're a pig, and my sensor's telling me that that device has enough battery to save the ship.
Well, I'm sorry, Commander, but Star is off limits. You don't understand. Me and Star, we've traveled the galaxy together.
People are talking all over town, let them talk. Your friends keep knocking him down, that's all I let them knock. He may be a wild one, but if he's sweet to you, they'll never understand. You love that man. Rumors are spreading like wildfire, that's okay. Someone said he's allowed to ignore the things they say.
So I've been working on rerouting the power supply, but I still think we need a battery, Captain.
Okay. Well,
Holy asteroids, what is that, Captain? Is that a sex bot?
sex bot, how dare you? Her name is Star, and she's my companion.
Oh, come on, companion, she's a sex bot.
Sex bot? Disgusting language, don't you know me and Star? We've traveled the galaxy together.
Come on, Captain. We gotta get that battery into the ship. I gotta get back to Alabama 7.
Come on, Star, we're leaving.
What do you think we should do about the captain?
I don't know, he's really in love with that hunk of metal.
Yeah, he's a socially inept pig.
So it's sort of social, demented and sad. But social, right?
I guess if you want to call it social, we can call it that. Whatever it is, we need to get the battery.
I think I have an idea.
My beautiful Star, why won't they understand you?
Hello there, Captain.
Commander, Buck.
Yeah.
Any luck with the power supply?
We were working on it, but we came up with a different solution, sir.
A different solution.
Yes, we're thinking about replacing Star.
Star, my Star?
Yes, Star, sir. There are newer upgraded models that we could get you.
There's no way I'll let you take her. She's everything to me.
These models have some features you may like, Captain.
I don't know how that could be possible.
Why don't
Yes,
you
Star, just
tell him
everything
then?
and more. Ooh. Captain Lucky.
All right. Captain. We're ready to go.